solve the equation. Solution. Three divided by 5r plus 1 minus 1 divided by 3r minus 4 is equals to 0. The first thing for us to do here is to move minus 1 divided by 3r minus 4 to the right hand side. And if we move this to the right, it will turn to positive. So we have 3 divided by 5r plus 1 equals to 0. By the time we move this to the right, it will turn to positive, plus 1 divided by 3r minus 4. Now, we have 3 divided by 5r plus 1 equals to, now 0 plus the algebraic fraction will still give us the algebraic fraction here. So we have 1 divided by 3r minus 4. So the next thing for us to do is to cross multiply. By cross multiplying, what do we have? We have 3 into bracket 3r minus 4 equals to 1 into bracket 5r plus 1. Now the next thing for us to do is to expand the bracket. Expanding the bracket, what are we going to have? 3 multiply 3r. What do we have? That is 9r. Then this same 3 we multiply minus 4. We have 3 times minus 4, that is minus 12. Now, at the right hand side, when we multiply 5r, we have what? 5r. And 1 times plus 1 will still give us plus 1. Now, the next thing for us to do is to collect the like terms. 9r and 5r are like terms. So we are going to move 5r to the left. Then it will become minus 5r. Then we move minus 12 to the right. It will turn to positive. So we have 1 plus 12. We have 1 plus 12. Now, 9r minus 5r, what do we have? That will be 4r. 4r equals to 13. So 4r equals to 13. For us to find out, what are we going to do? We're going to divide both sides by 4. Dividing both sides by 4, what do we have? 4r divided by 4. We have 13 divided by 4. 4 here 1, 4 here 1. Now, 13 divided by 4. 13 is not a multiple of 4. So how many 4 are we going to see in 13? That's 3. 3 times 4 is 12. If you take away 12 from 13, we have 1. So it means that the remainder is 1. When you divide 13 by 4, remainder 1. So we have 3 whole number 1 over 4. So it means that we can now conclude that r equals to 3 whole number 1 over 4. R equals to 3 whole number 1 over 4. So the solution to this problem is r equals to 3 whole number 1 over 4. Thank you.